there, friends. Welcome to another refrigeration HVAC mechanic red seal license exam practice questions. So here is a multiple choice set 16, 10 questions. Starting right away with question number 1. When sizing refrigerant piping, which is most critical? A. Suction line, B. Liquid line, C. Equalizer line, D. Drain line. Correct answer is A. Suction line. Number 2. A suction line heat exchanger is used to A. Ensure a full column of liquid at the metering device, B. Prevent flush gas, C. Provide subcooling, or D. All of the above. Correct answer is D. All of the above. Number 3. Flush gas is the instantaneous evaporation of liquid refrigerant leaving the metering device and entering the A. Evaporator, B. Condenser, C. Compressor, D. Liquid receiver. Correct answer is A. Evaporator. Number 4. Batteries can supply both AC and DC power. Is this statement A. True, B. False, C. Unknown, or D. None of the above? Correct answer is B. False. Number 5. Energy storing devices such as capacitors and inductors charges and discharges in what manner? A. Incremental, B. Linear, C. Exponential, or D. Polar? Correct answer is C. Exponential. Number 6. Which one is also called magnetizing power? A. Reactive power, B. Kinetic energy, C. Capacitance, D. Torque. Correct answer is A. Reactive power. Number 7. In a circuit with leading power factor, the voltage waveform will A. Stay, B. Lag, C. Lead, or D. Radiate? Correct answer is A. Lag. Number 8. One criteria in deciding voltage supply limit in equipment or conductor is insulation level. Is this statement A. True, B. Irrelevant, C. False, or D. None of the above? Correct answer is A. True. Number 9. Coiled refrigerant lines in air conditioning system must always be installed A. Vertically, B. Incline, C. Any direction, or D. Horizontally? Correct answer is D. Horizontally. And the last question, question number 10. When evacuating the refrigerant from a low pressure chiller, the high pressure cutout of the recovery unit is set at A 10 psig, B 20 psig, C 15 psig, or D 3 psig. Correct answer is A 10 psig. Okay, that's it for this video. Hope you learned something and helpful for your review. Good luck to your exam and all the best. Cheers and take care.